Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to encourage you to experiment with different blocks and functions in your street art project. So I've got a nice functioning street art project where when I press the green flag, it makes it so I can spray. And if I press the up arrow, my spray paint gets bigger. I can make it so I use the left and right arrows to change the color. I can make my spray paint get smaller. And if I press the space bar, it resets back to the original size and the original color. Awesome, this is working great. However, there are a bunch of other blocks in here that I could use to make it more interesting. So for instance, my program is silent. Maybe I want to add in some of the different sound blocks, record my own spray paint sounds, and maybe try out these other blocks like changing pitch, whatever. Or maybe I want to add in some more looks blocks, or maybe I want to add in some more motion blocks, or maybe add in some buttons. Now, whenever I'm experimenting with these blocks, just make sure whenever I do this, I use my blocks and create different functions. So I'm going to encourage you to do the same thing. So if you have a function that's going to make a randomized sound, make it a new block and call it something like randomize a sound or randomize spray paint sound, something like that. So experiment with different blocks, and whenever you have chunks of code that kind of all work together to create something, just give it a name and make it a block, so that way you can create your own functions for those chunks of code. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.